What's going on, guys? I'm shooting from my iPhone because I don't have my camera on me right now. As you see, I'm already doing stuff. I forgot to record completely. I'm currently replacing what I think is the issue. The speed sensor is out. I don't know which one exactly. There's 4 on these cars. On the manual transmission, there's 4. On the auto, there's 1 in the trans. I thought it was gonna be that one for mine, but I found out when I went to Nissan that only the automatics come with the one in the transmission. I already replaced the rear on the diff. Still the problem is happening, and now I'm changing the front too because my speedometer isn't working like I said, and my ABS light on and my traction light is on, and also my check engine light came on after I reset it again. So hopefully that's gonna be the issue. I'm gonna do the last wheel, and hopefully when we turn on the car, it's gonna be gone. We took out both of the old speed sensors for the front wheels. I'm gonna turn on the car right now. Hopefully they just go away, the lights. I doubt it. I'm probably gonna have to drive it a bit and then they'll go away. And if still they don't go away, that means I'm gonna have to erase the codes. Looks like everything is on like it was before. The check engine lights on, ABS light, traction light, my TPMS lights are on. My brake, I'm pretty sure if I put my brake down, yeah, it still doesn't read that I put my brake down. So either this isn't the issue or I have to drive it a bit. But even when I turn it off, I have to hold the button and then it goes to accessories. I have to click it a lot. Then it goes back to on, and then I have to turn it off if I keep clicking it. Alright guys, so I just got done talking with Alex. So he said my rear left speed sensor isn't reading right, so he told me to go back and check it. Maybe I didn't plug it in right, or maybe something else could be wrong. He's told me to try to plug it in right, and if it's not plugged in, if it's already plugged in right and it's still showing the ABS light, he told me to put the original one back on and try it then. Luckily I still have those, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so right now I'm driving to work and my speedometer is working now. Alright guys, so as you see, we're at my house in my garage. We're about to lift the car up, so you're gonna be able to see the quick jack being used finally. I know I didn't show you guys the last time I used it when I did this same thing, but you are gonna see it today. Alright, so I disconnected the battery, so now it's time to jack up the car. Alright guys, so I'll put safety locks on, so now we're good to go. As you guys see, the differentials right here. There's the that's the speed sensor for the rear right, and then the rear left. The rear left is the one he told me to switch out, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I took out the sensor. As you guys see, it looks fine. Nothing looks bad on it. So I think it is the sensor that went bad, so I'm going to replace it with the other one. Alright guys, so as you see, I connected it finally. Alright guys, so I just turned it on and got it out of the garage. Lights are gone, but I'm gonna go drive it and see if the light still pops up. For those of you who don't know, we have 411 subscribers now. For those new subscribers, thank you guys for joining the crew. My name is Jason Sosa. The channel is called Elevate. I'm so hyped that we continue to grow this channel. Like, thank you guys, all of you, for the support. It means a lot. But leave a comment down below. What do you want to know about me, the car, anything? Ask me questions down below in the comments, and I'll answer them in the next video. Yeah, guys, love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.